Jim King back here in Peculiar. This hole here is got concrete in it. 3 foot of concrete sitting on a load-bearing plate. We'll come back tomorrow morning. Enrique just got this hole finished. It's got 3 foot of concrete in it, 13 inches below the footer. Tomorrow morning we'll come in here and we'll take them load-bearing plates sitting on this wheelbarrow and we'll lay them underneath the footer, and we'll set our jacks on there, and we'll start raising that footing. Very simple. I like it when things are simple. I try to keep things, when I design something, I try to keep it, I always want it to be strong and simple as can be, as possible. And of course, every job I do for every homeowner or business owner, when they see the process of the King Piers system, they're always impressed. They love the system because it works. And in this case here, these folks here, they're retired, so they're here. They're going to get to watch this and get to hear the house creak and pop when we start raising it back up to its correct elevation. It's pretty neat. And out here in Peculiar, you can see how beautiful it is out here. They got them a lake right there. I mean, they see deer and all kinds of wildlife out here. I just love it. Love driving out here. And this is truly God's country. For all your foundation repair needs, call King Piers, 816-521-8915, or you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.